In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. We'll move from a simple Google search to opening your Wix site in the editor, then use the built-in tools to locate the Favicon option and select the logo you want to use. I'll explain each click so you know exactly what to expect on screen and why each step matters. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Wix. From the results, choose the official Wix website. This is the quickest, most reliable way to get to your Wix workspace if you don't have it bookmarked. Once you're on the Wix platform, make sure you're in the account that holds the site you want to work on. If you manage multiple sites, glance at the site name in the dashboard header so you don't open the wrong one. On your Wix dashboard, look for the option labeled Design Site and click it. This button takes you straight into the Wix editor for the selected site. The editor is where you build pages, add elements, and access many site-level settings through helpful shortcuts. Inside the editor, find the toolbar on the left edge of the screen and click the plus Add button. This opens the Elements panel and also gives you access to a search field that quickly points you to features and settings without digging through multiple menus. In the search field, type Favicon. A favicon is the tiny site icon you see in browser tabs, bookmarks, and shortcuts on mobile home screens. It helps visitors recognize your brand instantly, so it's worth getting right. Typing Favicon will surface the relevant option or guidance inside the editor, saving you time. Next, click on the logo option that appears. This takes you to the place where you choose the image that will serve as your site's icon. Pick a clean, high-contrast version of your logo so it remains clear at very small sizes. A square image works best, and many platforms generate the necessary sizes automatically once you choose a good source file. If you already have a site logo in your media library, select it. If not, have a properly prepared file ready so you can assign it quickly when prompted. That's the entire flow. Search for Wix with Google, open your site from the dashboard with Design Site, use plus Add to find the Favicon option, and confirm the logo you want to use as your icon. Give your browser a moment to refresh tabs where your site is open, and you should see the new icon appear as your brand's visual signature.